Welcome back, guys. And if you are using Facebook, this video is very important for you. Through this video, you can know that your Facebook is not being used by anybody except you. So, guys, welcome back in this channel. And if you are new to this channel, please consider to subscribe this. So, not wasting much of your time, I would just straight away go to the topic. And in the Facebook, if your Facebook is hacked, how can you know? By a simple trick. So just go to the Facebook, tap on the three horizontal lines, and then you go below, and here you see setting and secure privacy. Just tap on that. Then just below you see setting, tap on the setting. Now here accounts have come, and personal and account information, then password and security. In some mobile this is security and login. iPhone on another devices, this is security and login. And just click on password and security. Now you can see where you have been logged in. You can see all the places from where you have logged in Facebook. So just tap on the CL, and here you are seeing that the places from where you are logged in the Facebook. So you can check that these are the places from where I have been logged in Facebook. And if those places have not been used for login of Facebook by you, it means that your Facebook is hacked. Someone is using your Facebook. So this is a simple trick by which you can know that your Facebook is not being used by anybody, or it is being used by anybody. So this is all about today's tutorial. I will repeat it. Just go to the three horizontal dot, then setting and privacy, not event, setting and privacy, and then setting, and then password and security, and then where you are logged. Now if you discover that this is being used by several users on several places, then you can just, it's a very good idea, and this is highly recommended that you change your password right now, right then. So guys, if you like this video, please consider to subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.